In June 1908, deep in the Siberian wilderness, something appeared in the sky that no one could explain. Witnesses described a bright object moving faster than anything they had ever seen before. The light was so strong that the ground looked like daylight in the middle of the morning. Moments later, the sky exploded with a flash that shook the entire region. The blast was powerful enough to be felt hundreds of kilometers away. In the forest, millions of trees were knocked down in a single moment, but the destruction had a strange pattern, as if a giant force pushed everything outward. When the smoke cleared, the silence felt unnatural. Animals ran in panic, long before humans understood what had happened. Strange glowing clouds were seen in the sky for nights after the explosion. News about the event spread slowly across Russia. The area was so remote that no scientists reached it for many years. When the first expedition finally began, they expected to find a crater. Instead, they found something far more confusing. The forest was flattened for more than 2,000 square kilometers. Trees were lying in the same direction, like they were pushed by a massive wave. But at the center, there was no impact hole at all. Scientists could not understand how such a huge explosion left no crater. Some believed a giant meteor exploded in the air before hitting the ground. Others thought it could have been a fragment of a comet. Calculations showed the explosion was stronger than many nuclear bombs. Yet no radiation from a weapon was officially found. Still, strange magnetic effects were reported in the area. Some instruments behaved in ways scientists could not explain. There were also reports of unusual lights before the explosion. Witnesses said the sky looked like it was burning. Years later, new theories started to appear. Some researchers suggested an unknown energy release in the atmosphere. Others connected the event to early experiments with electricity. The name of Nikola Tesla was even mentioned in some theories. There is no proof of this, but the idea never disappeared. The Soviet Union studied the area for decades in secret. Some reports were never fully published. Even today, parts of the archives remain incomplete. Modern scientists used satellites to study the region again. They confirmed the explosion happened in the air, not on the ground. But the exact object was never found. No large fragments were discovered. The forest slowly grew back, hiding many clues. Still, the pattern of fallen trees can be seen from above. It shows the shape of a massive shock wave. Some believe the event was a natural disaster. Others think something else may have been involved. More than 100 years later, the mystery remains open. Tunguska is still one of the most powerful explosions ever recorded. And yet, we still do not know exactly what caused it. No clear answer has been accepted by everyone. Science explains part of the story, but not all of it. Some secrets may have been lost in time. In the middle of the Siberian forest, the truth about Tunguska may still be waiting to be discovered.